Okay, get back on. Okay, kill it. Please kill it. That was a fail. Don't scream. Here, I've got an idea. Give it to me. Give it to me. No, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. That's too wobbly. I'm gonna get on my shoulders. Keep the noise down, please. Oh my god. I don't see it. Run. Give it to me. Give it to me. It's not in there anymore. I love Abby's reaction.
I love how you guys are scared of a spider.
It's a flipping spider. Oh. You see it? Don't push me. I don't know where it was. No, I think it went in that. See that crevice right there? No. I think it went in there. No. Right there. Oh, man. Here. This is what I was using last night. I see it. I think. Okay, let's stop.
I wish I got the first time you guys falling.
Yeah, that hurt. That one hurt.